Hi, this video is about the Nova CH1000 cup holder. And this is a drink holder that you can attach to just about any mobility product. It just fits on a tube. And it's so wonderful to have your drink by your side when you're out and about. So we can put it on a folding walker, a rolling walker, a transport chair, a wheelchair. It's just so easy and convenient. What I love about this cup holder is that it's adjustable. So you can move these brackets right here and you can hold many sized drinks from coffee to cocktails, and you can kind of push it in so it's nice and secure. And then when you're not using your drink holder, what I love is that you can close it up so it's out of place. And it's nice and streamlined, so you're not gonna bump your cup holder into like a door or a table or something. So very convenient. So it fits on a folding walker, rolling walker, and even a transport chair and a wheelchair. And I just love having this option on a wheelchair. We recommend putting it like on the footrest. There's a nice tube right here. And that way you've got your drink right here. Super convenient. And then close it up when not in use. All right. So all you're going to need to put it together is a Phillips screwdriver, and I'm going to show you how to do that. The contents of your cup holder are the 2 adhesive strips, 2 long screws, a short screw and a washer, and 2 of the clamps. So the first thing you're going to do is choose the sticker that's going to best fit around the tube of the product that you're going to use. So for a rolling walker, I'm going to use the thinner, wider sticker, and go ahead and place the sticker where you want to set your cup holder. Next, you're going to install the clamps. And you'll notice that there's one clamp with a dial on the outside and then one clamp that's smooth. The clamp with the dial is going to go on the outside of the tube, and the smooth side will go on the inside of the tube. So go ahead and push that together around the sticker, around the tube. Next, you're going to install the long screws to attach the clamps together. So go ahead and insert the screws through the back side, and then with a Phillips screwdriver, you're going to tighten those screws. Take the small screw and the washer and push the washer through the screw. Now you're going to position the cup holder, which also has a dial, straight on to the dial portion of the clamp. And you'll notice that you can actually turn it to make it whatever direction you want, but this allows you to make it straight. Then you're going to take the screw with the washer, insert it through the hole, and then with your screwdriver, you will tighten it up and make sure it's tight on there, but not too tight. And now your cup holder is installed. It folds up and it's adjustable. So there you go. That was a very quick and easy assembly, and now you've got a drink holder by your side, which I love to enjoy with your coffee. And with all of Nova products, it will come with the assembly and use information, and of course, how to contact us anytime.